Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log in with Google Play in Clash Royale. First, open the Clash Royale application on your mobile device. Ensure your internet connection is stable, whether you are using a Wi-Fi network or cellular data, as this is crucial for the login process. It is important to begin with a strong connection to avoid any interruptions or errors. This ensures a seamless start to connecting your account. Next, find the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on these lines to open the main menu, then select the settings gear icon. This action takes you directly to the game's configuration options. You are now one step closer to linking your Google Play account, preparing it for secure access and progress saving. Within the settings menu, locate the Connect or Sign In button, often found next to a Google Play logo. Tap this button, and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose which Google account to use. Select your preferred Google Play account from the list presented to you. This action initiates the secure connection between the game and your chosen account, safeguarding your progress. After selecting your account, verify that the Connect button now displays connected or shows your Google Play gamer ID. If prompted, confirm any pop-up messages to finalize the link. If it fails, try reselecting your account or restarting the game. Sometimes a quick refresh is all that is needed. This step ensures your progress is safely linked and ready for your adventures within the game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.